by far the most popular dressing all around the world. Mayo has a sour taste with a creamy texture. Its aroma varies depending on the ingredients used. Usually, it smells like eggs, mustard, lemon or vinegar, and oil, the typical items in mayo. You may have a spicy and sharper taste in mayo if you add paprika, salt, pepper, and horseradish. So, today let's learn about the chemistry behind the ingredients of mayonnaise. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Culinary. Today we're gonna talk about mayonnaise and chemistry of its ingredients. If you are watching our videos for the first time, please subscribe our channel to learn more about food science and technology. Mayonnaise is a thick, creamy dressing. It is an emulsion of oil, egg yolk, and acid. The acid may be vinegar or lemon juice. Mayonnaise, informally mayo, is a thick cold sauce or dressing commonly used in sandwiches, hamburgers, and compost salads. There are different types of mayonnaise, including spicy mayonnaise, lime mayonnaise, lime and wasabi mayonnaise, smoked lemon mayonnaise, citrus and honey mayonnaise, BBQ mayonnaise, or also mayonnaise. If we look at the food matrix of mayonnaise, we can see it contains oil, egg yolk, salt, sugar, mustard, and vinegar or lemon. Mayonnaise is oil in water emulsion. The dispersed paste is oil and the continuous paste is water. Egg yolk acts as emulsifier. Now let's see what are the functional and structural role of ingredients. Oil contributes to the viscoelastic behavior, stability, and high viscosity of the product, and also it impacts the organoleptic properties by providing creaminess and flavor to the mayonnaise. The smooth texture and the appearance is also dependent on the amount of oil percentage. Egg yolk used as an emulsifying agent, and the vinegar or lemon juice contributes to the flavor of the mayonnaise, and it decreases the pH. By keeping the pH of the product low, the microbiological safety and preservation of the product increases. Salt contributes to the flavor and to the stability of the mayonnaise. It helps to neutralize the charges of the proteins so they can absorb more efficiently to the droplets interface. Sugar contributes to the flavor of the mayonnaise and also counteract the flavor of vinegar. Mustard contributes to the flavor and the color of the mayonnaise. Most of the flavor in mustard comes from the isothiocyanate. The acid in the mayonnaise stabilizes these flavor compounds. As I mentioned previously, mayonnaise is an emulsion. Emulsifying is done by slowly adding one ingredient to another while simultaneously mixing rapidly. This disperses and suspends tiny droplets of the liquid through another. Emulsifiers are licensed between the two liquids and serve to stabilize the mixture. In mayonnaise, the emulsifier is egg yolk, which contains lecithin, and it is a fat emulsifier. Apart from the egg yolk, mustard also contains lecithin. Lecithin's amophilic property helps to act as an emulsifying agent. Adding oil too quickly or insufficient rapid whisking will keep the two liquids from combining, that means emulsifying. Seasonings are whisked in after all of the oil has been added. Now let's look at the process of mayonnaise production. First, water, egg yolk, and 1/3 of vinegar is mixed and emulsifying is done. After that, 2/3 of vinegar is mixed to the mixture and again emulsifying is done. Finally, oil is mixed with the mixture and continue the emulsifying process, and finally packaging is done. Now let's see how mayonnaise is produced in industrial scale. Apart from use as a salad dressing, mayonnaise has different usages in food industry. It can use as an egg wash replacement. Also, it can be used as a marinade. Mayonnaise is a key ingredient in a grilled cheese. It can enhance the ranch dressing. Also, it can balancing a chocolate cake. This is the brief overview of the mayonnaise and its ingredients. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and subscribe for videos just like this. Thanks for watching.